Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Bakkesmod on Epic Games Launcher. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So as you can see here, I already have Rocket League installed on my device. So what we're going to do next is just basically open up our favorite browser. Now then just type down bakkesplugins.com. All right, hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and scroll down a bit, and here we have download Bakkesmod. Okay, so click on it, wait for it to load, and click on download now. Now you have a video right here, which is a step-by-step guide as well. So just basically click on this hyperlink. Okay, click on save it on your desktop if you want to, and then just wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and close the browser. Find the RAR file, right click on it, extract. And here we have a Bakkesmod setup. Double click on it. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes and yes. Next, install, and just click on yes right here. Okay. Now just click on finish. Make sure that Bakkesmod is running. If you have update pop-up right here, just click on yes. All right, and it will just automatically update. And whenever you want to use Bakkesmod, okay, make sure that you have it open first before the game. Okay, so let's just wait for this one to finish. And here we have the Bakkesmod injector. Okay, make sure that this one is opened. It says here, uninjected, waiting for user to start Rocket League. So just double click on Rocket League or open it up via the Epic Games Launcher. Okay, as you can see here, it says injecting DLL, injected, press F2 in game for options menu. So let's just go ahead and wait for the game to open. So as you can see here, I have the game open. So what we're going to do is just press F2. Okay, here we now have the Bakkesmod layout. Okay, here we have quick settings, items, current game, free play, custom training, ranked, anonymizer, miscellaneous bindings, plugins, and patrons. So air dribble mode right here, you can go ahead and click on it. And it says here, applied configuration for air dribbled mode. So normal mode, Python mode, wall hit mode, depends on you. You have high variance here as well. So just click on X. You could also enable item mods, okay? For decals, just like so. The wheels, as you can see here, as fast as that, it automatically changes, okay? Cloud burst right here for the boost. The hat, it's up to you. As you can see here, let's scoot this one aside. The antenna, the trail, paint, and some other options. That's basically it. And if you want, you can go ahead and reset this one. And after that, you're actually good to go. You're going to go ahead and hit home play. Maybe just an under trading. Okay, free play, accept. There you go. And that's just basically how to install and use Bakkesmod on Epic Games Launcher, especially for Rocket League. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.